Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hope y'all had a great day of trading. I actually didn't have the best day of trading. I'm down 1,400 today. I'm swinging it until tomorrow, so technically it's not 1,400, but you know, it kind of is. Just kind of depends on how tomorrow plays out. Um, so yeah, with that being said, before I get into the video, I want to talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $1,000 to a subscriber. So make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you like this video. Just in general, it does help the channel out, help me out a little bit. It's free to do that. So just do that for me. We appreciate that. But yeah, today I got Tesla pulled up. 1 hour chart. It's one of my favorite time frames. As you can tell from the title, this might not be the best video, especially if you're a bull like I am. This one kind of hurts a little bit, but you got to learn how to be objective in this market, man. It's not always going to go our way all the time, and that's fine. We have to know when to take an L, when not to take the L, and ultimately, I do think we get the W. I do think the Bulls win ultimately. Just right now in the short term, I think we're having a little bit of trouble. I think, especially with the news that we got with the China news, and I think Elon is still messing around with Twitter trying to figure that thing out. And it's a lot going on right now in the short term that isn't necessarily the best for Tesla right now. However, long term, definitely bullish. But right now, let's get into what happened today. Get into a little price action. So you see this red trend line here that I have drawn. I'm gonna try to see if I can highlight it a little bit. It's right there, that little red trend line. We broke out of that today. So that's the first thing that wasn't good for me. I didn't want to see that. Kind of wanted to see us just continue going up to maybe even retest this blue line, this blue macro trend line today, which we did not do. Instead, we broke down on the red trend line, out of the red trend line. So not good. Another thing, y'all know, if y'all been following my videos for any length of time, you know I like the 8 EMA and the 45 EMA, and whenever they cross, to me, that is considered to be maybe a change of direction. Well, guys, if you look here, we're kind of getting across in the after hours, and that is kind of telling me that we might be changing direction in the short term. So just keep that in mind. Not very good, right? At least in the short term. So, but what we did today, we started out with a green candle. We pushed up all the way to about 186-ish area, and we rejected. Rejected pretty convincingly. Pretty convincingly rejected. Never saw it again. The next candle was red. Tried to retest this red trend line here. And I think I'll consider that a retest. Didn't pan out. And as you can see, we just kind of sold off the rest of the day. We got the last 1 hour of the trading day. We got a little green candle, which was nice to see. I would say just too little, too late. If y'all are familiar with that saying, right? So I think tomorrow, what we're going to see Tesla drop. What I'm hoping for, because I am in 2 contracts and calls, I'm swinging, hoping that we can possibly get maybe a slight push up or something before the drop. That's what I'm hoping, so I can get out. But that may or may not happen. But ultimately, I think tomorrow we are going to drop. Now, this macro green line that I have here, it was a support line. Now I think if y'all can see that, let me zoom out. Y'all see my macro, this green line here, right? That I've called out for a while. We are below that as well. So that actually isn't good. Just overall, not too thrilled about the price action for today. And I think, the sentiment for tomorrow is probably going to be bearish. So I would say the bears will win. What we possibly can see is maybe a push down into this area, maybe a bounce back up. We possibly can see that. If we don't see that, we're definitely going to lose that area and drop all the way back here. And if we drop all the way back to 166, 168 area, it's not going to be too good for us, y'all, the bulls. So let's just hope that tomorrow we can get a bounce here at this 174, 176 area, and we'll be okay. So with that being said, guys, thank y'all for watching this video. Sorry about the bad news. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And appreciate y'all. Till next time. Peace.